How to turn off suggest your account to people with a mutual connection on TikTok. How to not suggest your account to these kind of people. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video, and let's start. First, you will open TikTok. Then when your TikTok is open, you will find, as you see here, home automatically. You will just go here to your profile and click. Then you will go to this three line at the top of the screen and click. Then you will go to settings and privacy. Then and settings and privacy, will just go to privacy like this. And then on privacy, you will go to suggest your account to others. Then you will go to people with mutual connection. You will just turn off this option here, click it like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.